Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Radaar, a tool that claims to be an all-in-one social media management platform designed for handling multiple profiles. Radaar have more than 100 AppSumo reviews and they are back. It's a well tool for social media management. You're going to use it to centralize your social media strategy with many social media tools available, which involves inbox, analytics, and scheduling posting. So let's take a look at the deal. You get for $59 one subscription, which includes 12 social media profiles, 3 monitoring queries, and unlimited posts. You can stack one additional code to get 2 subscriptions or merge into one, and stack 2 to get 3 subscriptions or merge all into one. So you're going to have more social media profiles, queries, etc. So let's take a look at the tool. So here is Radaar, and you can see that the tool is divided by inbox, where you're going to receive the inbox from your social media profiles, monitoring, where you can, of course, see what's happening in your social media profile, scheduling posts, and analytics. The first thing that you're going to do when you start to use the tool is to connect your channels. You're going to go to settings, channels, and you can connect, for instance, all of those channels, and you're going to see which social media profiles you can connect. They have Facebook page, Facebook group, Instagram business, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Vimeo, Google My Business, Google, WordPress, Webhook for outgoing, Telegram, Twilio for WhatsApp Business, and NetGMS. Those are the social media profiles that they have. For the sake of that review, let's connect one social media page. The whole process is really simple. You just need to connect your Facebook account and then select the Facebook page that you want to connect. I connected my Facebook page here, and then you go to the overview and you can use one of the 4 features that they have: inbox, monitoring, scheduler, and analytics. Remember that if you have any question, they have a discussion group, tutorial, knowledge base. You can see all the updates on the what's new. You can also use their feature here to create a ticket to receive support inside the tool. If you click on scheduler, you go to the calendar, and this is the nice feature that they have, that it's really easy to plan your monthly strategy using their calendar, because you're going to schedule everything using the calendar itself, because you only need to click on the plus button to add a new post. So let's say you want to create a post for tomorrow. You just click here on plus button, and here on the right, you can create your post. You're going to select your channel, one or more, of course. Here you can drop any picture that you want or video. You can use a gallery. You can post a link, only text if it's your idea. You can post a story on your Facebook page, on your Instagram, and also a Reels. They already have a Reels feature, and you only need to select here Reels, and you can post. So just select the kind of post that you want. For the sake of that review, I am going to select link. In that case, type your link and click on add. And it's already successfully posted. You can just optimize here, title, which is option, and caption, for instance, visits my website. And update, and click here to scheduling, okay? In that case, I'm gonna only update my scheduling. It's pretty simple. You can add chain comments here. You can use captions variations, okay, for different social media profile. You can tag users on Facebook page, Instagram public profile, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can also add a location. And on on advanced, you're gonna see some options to don't shorten URLs, send notification if any error occur, etc. You can manage all your posts through their inbox features and see your contacts as well. On the analytics, you can create boards and then select which kind of feature you want to track. For instance, if you want to track only your Instagram followers, viewers, engagement, impressions, demography, same for Twitter, followers, competitors. In LinkedIn, you can see your followers, the gain of followers, view, engagement, impressions. You can create an analytics of the timeline of your conversation, source, rates, monitoring the same. On publishing, you can create an analytics about your post and the timeline of your post. Everything will appear inside each board that you create. The tool has also utilities, which they are URL shortener, landing page, quick reply, hashtag manage, talk libraries, and RSS feed. So you can create shortener link inside the tool. Then you need to connect a custom domain. So connecting a custom domain, you can shorten your links. You can also create a landing page inside the tool, create quick replies, manage hashtags, receiving suggestions of good hashtags for your post, seeing the top 25 hashtags, search for a hashtag inside the tool. For instance, searching for law, and I can see everything here. Let's search for marketing, for instance. And I'm going to get the suggestions of hashtags and also the data about it inside Twitter and Instagram. On stock library, you can use it to create your blog post. They have Amplex, Pexels, Pixabay, Giphy, Tenor, GIFCat, and IamGur. So you can use their stock library to create your social media posts. And you can also connect an RSS feed. Overall, I think that tool is convenient, and the main goal of a social media scheduling tool, is to be convenient. Is to give you a way to create posts and drive engagement fast, helping you to organize your social media strategy. And their user interface is cool. Their scheduler environment is really easy to make you work on it, seeing all your strategy of that month and easily accessing another month or other kind of time frames in a way that you only need to click on a plus button to schedule a new post in many different social media. And also their social media tool, where you can change between different kind of type of posts, is also really, really interesting. You can schedule schedule in many different ways. Overall, it's a well-renowned tool on AppSumo right now. Many people bought it and like Radaar. And of course, I'm going totally to recommend you to buy it. It's a really, really, really good deal. Thank you so much. I hope you like that review. If you like, please click on the link in the description to see more about Radaar and help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.